We could all use a little help from time to time, and this one-pan dinner does exactly that. Perfect for those midweek meals where you're really rushed, but you still want to feed the kids and yourself something pretty healthy. So in this dish, I'm using some chicken thighs. I've added a couple of chicken breasts because I find my kids prefer them. Get it into the pan, sear it off, do some garlic, do some onion, add in the rice, some olive oil, coat it really nicely. It really doesn't get any easier than this. I hope you enjoy this. Chicken with rice and mushrooms. One pan, super easy. How easy is that? You've got lots of great ingredients, but one pan to clean up at the end of it. That's my kind of recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, and as always, feel free to leave me your comments below. I'd love to hear what you think about these recipes. Definitely want to be giving you guys what you're interested in. So let me know, and until next time, happy cooking!